From above, the eastern edge of South Africa's Ghaap Plateau looks completely unbroken, a semi-arid expanse of ancient stone. But hidden in plain sight lies an unassuming, duckweed-covered surface pond. This innocent pool is a deceptive window into a massive, submerged vertical cenote. Below the surface, expert cave divers navigate a narrow, joint-controlled crack just 1.5 meters wide. Passing a final bottleneck at 60 meters, the neck expands into a colossal phreatic vault over 1.2 kilometers in circumference, one of the deepest freshwater chambers on Earth. The cavern is a world-famous cave diving location, although it has claimed the lives of at least 3 divers. The structural masterpiece drops to a jaw-dropping maximum explored depth of 283 meters. The walls of the cavern are composed of solution-polished Archean dolomite of the Kogelbeen formation, capped with a resistant chert layer. Deep within the stratigraphic column, ancient chertified stromatolites are preserved. The Kogelbeen dolomites are overlain by the iron-rich Paleoproterozoic sequences of the Kuruman and Daniels Kale formations. These are separated conformally by a dense weather-resistant jasperite layer. Together, these formations constitute the Ghaap group of the Transvaal supergroup. The soluble dolomitic rocks that underlie the landscape are relatively impermeable to water flow. Groundwater flow and thus dissolution processes are largely controlled by extensional faults which slice across the region and dip at steep angles. These faults and joints act as highly permeable pathways for deep-seated groundwater dissolution. Some of the resulting karst features are exposed at the surface, others are entirely sealed, blind subterranean cavities hidden beneath the plateau lid. The subterranean cavitation triggers a mechanical failure known as upward stoping. As groundwater undermines the base, the cavern roof loses structural integrity. Gravity takes over, successive layers of rock fracture and collapse inward, migrating the void upward until it violently breaches the surface lid. These dissolution cavities are common beneath this karst landscape. In 2017, heavy rainfall triggered a sudden, catastrophic collapse on the nearby Mount Carmel farm, proving that this subterranean drainage system is actively evolving. Further proof lies deep within the Finch Diamond Mine, where underground operations routinely intersect these massive, water-bearing blind fissure networks. The Ghaap Plateau yields valuable mineral and water resources, but also hosts a profound archive of human evolution. Vonderwerk Cave preserves an incredible 2 million year record of continuous hominin occupation, yielding the world's earliest microstratigraphic evidence of controlled fire, and ancient sand sympathetic magic art. Further north at Gamohane Hill, Pleistocene rock shelters have revealed non-utilitarian calcite crystals dating back 105,000 years, marking the very dawn of modern human symbolic thought. Within the Ghaap Plateau landscape, we can trace the deep multi-layered connections between the plateau's intricate hydrology and the rich hydromythology of the indigenous Kusan peoples who revered these portals. Ultimately, the watery abyss of the Boesmansgat stands as an enduring monument to deep time, structural geology, and the endless frontiers of human discovery.